From the First Warn Storm Center, your forecast.
Now let's take a look through the dirt and digital camera. Actually, that's not a very telling sign, now is it? It looks very pleasant. Everything looks good. Sky is all clear. It's that clear sky this time of year that'll get you. Let me go ahead and tell you. Current temperature right now, 49. Look at that dew point at 18 degrees. If you notice a little scratchy throat or your head's feeling kind of empty, it's because we don't typically get air this dry rolling in. It's the time of year for it, but we just often don't see air this bitterly cold. Winds out of the west right now at 10. We've had winds kind of all over the place. They've been up to 30 miles an hour through the day. Now they're kind of rolling along in that, 5 to 15, 5 to 20 bracket, and they'll continue through the night and overnight. They'll really get strong at about 4 a.m. Regionally, temperatures holding up okay. Little Rock 45, 43 in Birmingham, close to 50 in Panama City and Tampa. Extremely cold in Nashville. That cold air starting to make its way into the northern part of the state, northern part of Georgia, and it's going to keep on coming down as we move through the night and overnight. Look at the temperature differences around the region in the last 24 hours. Montgomery, 16 degrees cooler. Albany, depending on where you're from, 19 degrees, 22 degrees in Tallahassee. A very, very chilly temperature change over the last 24 hours, and the next 24 will be even more dramatic. Here's what's happening nationally. Nothing. That's it. Zero, zilch, nada. About the only thing going on is this cold air pushing to the south. A little bit of snow in Tennessee, even parts of the Carolinas. But for us, obviously no snow. But here's what is happening. The most telling feature of this map is the fact that there's nothing here. No clouds. For insulation, there's just nothing. So we're not going to get any break from this incredibly cold air that's rolling down. 26 in Enterprise tonight. 24 in Troy, 27 the overnight low in Dothan. Now, we're not going to hit those numbers until maybe 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., when your winds pick up as well. So if you're headed out to work first thing in the morning, or if your kids are back in school, the bus stop temperature tomorrow will be in the 20s, but it'll feel more like the upper teens. So a 42 for an afternoon high tomorrow, a blustery day. And I don't get to use that word often, so I'm real excited. Glad to get that one in. Winds out of the west-northwest at 10 to 15 tomorrow. It's going to be a chilly, chilly day. It will feel most of the day more like the low to mid-30s. So not our Chamber of Commerce day for sure. 27, 7 a.m., very cold. Noon, a balmy 38. And look at there. By 5 o'clock, we're all the way up to 34. It's a great thing. Now, your generation schedule is 6 a.m. until 9 a.m. But now look at the next 7 days. Things actually, there's a bright side. We're a little bit windy, a little bit cold tomorrow. I'll say a lot windy and a lot cold. Then by Wednesday up in the 50s, and then we'll see our afternoon highs. We'll have some showers coming in, but by the weekend, back towards 70. Kevin?
Well, you may be excited, but I don't like the word blustery. I like balmy better. 2012 could bring more expensive European